Hi, this is meteorologist Steve Pelletier, and I'm the Weatherman. Thanks for checking into the weathermanpod.com on your Friday. It is the 23rd day of the month of August 2024. And, well, first thing I have to talk about is this ragweed pollen situation. If you are a hay fever sufferer, or if you get into the situation where any type of pollutants in the atmosphere or hay fever really affects your day, not really the greatest of news. I'm taking a look at the ragweed pollen situation across the nation. And really haven't seen it this bad in quite a long time. Have very high ragweed pollen extending from central and southern New England, all across New York State, Pennsylvania, New Jersey, all across the Virginias, the Carolinas, especially in the interior sections of the Carolinas, also through the Tennessee Valley, that's Kentucky, Tennessee, Ohio, Indiana, Illinois, all the way up through the Great Lakes, westward, right through the Dakotas, the Central and Great Plains states, most of central and northern Texas, and then extending all the way in through the Four Corners region, right into central and northern California. Only places where ragweed's not going to be a big problem is in the Pacific Northwest, northern California, the coastal sections of Oregon and Washington, northern Maine, and central and southern Florida. That's because they have scattered showers and rain showers down here. And, of course, a lot of their circulation comes in from the Gulf of Mexico, so not over land where the transporting winds are causing all that extensive amount of ragweed. So that's going to be a problem for Friday, most likely Saturday, Sunday, and Monday as well. So if you are a hay fever sufferer, get set for a tough few days and make sure you take care of yourself. A weather situation across the nation, if you're traveling, really not bad. New York, New York City into Philadelphia, down to D.C., up to the Boston area. Those are for origin or destination airports. You're looking pretty good. No problems weather-wise into there. As will be Atlanta, no problems at Charlotte. Also, most of the airports in Texas are looking pretty good, as does Chicago, Minneapolis, St. Paul. The lousy weather that we're seeing is some scattered showers and thunderstorms, coastal sections of Florida, east and west coast, and the Gulf Coast as well. In New Orleans, also some scattered showers and thunderstorms. Four Corners still having those monsoons, and the Pacific Northwest, starting from central and northern California right up through Oregon and into Washington State. There will be extensive delays because of heavy weather in those places. But most places across the nation, most of the major hubs, not seeing it very bad at all. LA's looking good, Dallas, Fort Worth, Chicago, New York, and also up in the Boston area, Chicago and Minneapolis, St. Paul, all looking pretty good weather-wise for travelers on Friday. Most likely Saturday and Sunday as well. Weather situation for the Northeast. Carter, here's a forecast for D.C. up to the Boston area, including central and northern New Jersey, where we are, and New York City. You're looking at a sunny day. Highs in the lower 80s on Friday, 85 in D.C., about 78 up in Boston. Saturday, temperatures in the mid-80s in most places, 80s to close to 90 degrees in the cities on Sunday. By Monday, looks like a frontal system arriving will give us a chance of some scattered thunderstorms later afternoon and evening, then some nice weather through the middle portion of next week as we end and wind down this month of August. It looks like we're going to have some pretty good weather right up into that first day of September, which is, incidentally, on Sunday, 1 week from this Sunday. It is the first day of August. Labor Day coming early on the 2nd. This year. I'm meteorologist Steve Pelletier, and I have the Weatherman. Hope you have a great day today. Sorry about all the hay fever and the pollen and the ragweed. Ooh, it's bad. Take care of yourself and have yourself a great Friday. We'll talk to you first thing on Saturday. Take care.